Foshan Tanfon Energy Technology Company Limited is a solar factory focusing on new energy solutions. Our core products are container energy storage systems and industrial and commercial energy storage, which are widely used in industrial parks, commercial centers, and villages, providing customers with reliable energy security and intelligent management services. ESS and MPS are our star products, integrating high-density lithium battery technology and advanced energy management system. The system is compact in design and quick to install, and can be applied to various scenarios, including power grid, emergency power supply, and off-grid power generator. Our products mainly use raw materials imported from Germany and the United States, and all materials can be traced through a complete QC system. With 17 years of industry experience, our R&D team continues to innovate, and all products meet international safety and quality standards, such as CE/UL certification. All products will be sent to the test for more than 8 hours of full load aging inspection. After the aging test is completed, it will be sent to the system test room to simulate the test of the entire system under load. We will provide you with professional installation drawings, user manuals, and installation process videos, and any electrician can easily install the Tanfon high-power system. We believe that through reliable energy storage technology and professional services, we can help more users around the world achieve energy independence and move towards a sustainable future.